Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Kumar Prusti from Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Navada Prague. Students, welcome to our e-learning class which is organized by Modern Group of Institution, Navada Bihar. Today I will discuss the third video lecture of the chapter 3 unit 3 of class 9, that is output unit or device and storage device. Okay student, so today basically we will discuss the student output device. Okay student, we know very well what do you mean by output device. Yes or no students? That means when the result will be displayed or when the computer will give the result or display the output information, when the information will display, okay student, or give the output, that is called as a output device. Okay student, that means display the data, display the data on the screen, display the data on the screen after processing the data. That means after processing what type of the data will be displayed, that is called as a output device. Okay student, remember one thing, this one is also called as when display the data on the monitor. Okay student, so student, some of the examples of the output devices, are, you know very well, one is a student monitor. Okay student, second one is a student speaker. Okay, then student, third one is your printer, then plotter. Okay student, then next one is a student earphone. Yes or no student, is that clear or not? The student, so many output devices are used in a computer. Okay, so student, first one is your what? Monitor. The monitor is also known as a VDU. The monitor is also known as a VDU, Visual Display Unit. Okay, VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. Okay student, so that means when the data will be displayed on the monitor, that is called as a soft output. Remember this one point is your student, when the information will be displayed, on the monitor screen, is called soft output. Remember this one student, very important, this one, soft output. Okay student, when the information will be displayed on the screen, okay, when the information will be displayed on the monitor screen, that is called as a student what? Soft output. Is that clear? Remember what do we mean by soft output, what do we mean by hard output. Okay student, the soft output is one. Okay, the student, monitor is also called as a visual display unit, and monitor is categorically divided into student three types. One is a CRT, CRT for the cathode ray tube, LCD for the liquid crystal display, LED for the light emitting diode. Okay student, cathode ray tube, that means it is made up of a tube which contains the phosphorus of the thin of the plates are there. Okay students, LCD, liquid crystal display, okay, light emitted diode. What are the difference between them? Okay student, its weight is very heavy, its weight is lighter than CRT, and the LED is also very lighter than the as compared to the CRT and LCD. Remember this one, first one. So student, this one is your what? You know this one is a structure just like the tube. Okay student, that's why that name as the cathode ray tube, just like your TVs. Have you seen your TV? Yes or no student? The oldest TV, just like that of the monitor. Okay, and its picture will be displayed in the what? Dots per inch. That is called as a pixels. That means here the image or photos will be displayed the what? In a dots within a pixel. That means number of pixel dot per inch. That is called as a resolution. Okay. So student, out of all these monitor, in which monitor has the very high, very best resolution? That is your LED. That means that is your what? Resolution is your high definition picture. Which one? LED. And the LCD is not the high definition picture, but picture quality is very good because resolution is good as compared with the CRT. Okay student, is that clear? In the CRT, it consumes high electricity. Okay, it consumes high electricity. LCD less than, and LED is very less than the LCD. Remember this one. Is that clear or not student? Weight is very high. It is lower than the LCD. Weight is lower than the CRT. LED is very low weight as compared to CRT and LCD. Is that clear or not? CRT, this monitor it was used in school or any other organization or home. Yes or no? And LCD student, this one particularly is used. That one is what student? Liquid crystal display. Yes or no? So this one is also used in your home for electronic device purposes. Is that clear or not? What type of the electronic devices are used? That means sometimes that are used the crystal, okay, liquid crystal. In that case, we are using the LCD. And LED, light emitting display. This one or diode, this type of the monitor is used in for the what student? Your light. Suppose you want to give the light with a very what student? Fully your room will be light, household light. Okay student. So in that case we use the what? LED. It consumes very less power and gives the what student? It gives the very high definition picture. Okay student. That means nowadays all of us we are using the what student? LED bulb. Yes or no? We have not listened the LCD bulb. Yes or no? So the LED bulb. Why we are using LED bulb? Because it consumes very low power electricity and gives the fully light. Yes or no student? So that's why nowadays we are preferring LED. Is that clear or not? Is that clear or not? So nowadays maximum of the electronic device where are the user light? They are having used the LED. Okay student, is that clear or not? So in this way we are discuss the student what? Monitor. Okay. Then student, speaker. The speaker is used to listen the music, or it gives the sound from the computer. Speaker is used to give the sound, gives the music. Okay student, from the computer. That means after what you want to listening the music, you just run from your computer and it can be audible to you. And by the speaker student, by the speaker and earphone, both are the student are used for the what? Both are speaker and earphone. Okay student, speaker and earphone both are used for gives the what student? Sound, music, audio. Yes or no? But in the speaker it gives the sound more than one person. That means more than one person can listen the music at a time, whereas the earphone only listen the one person at a time. Remember this one. The speaker can give the sound which will be audible at the more than one person at a time, whereas the earphone only listen only one person at a time from the computer. Yes or no student? That means when you are traveling from one place to another place by the bus or train, yes or no? That time you are using earphone. Yes or no? That means only one person can listen. Is that clear? But the sound system in speaker, okay, where the functions are there, okay, they are using the word speaker because so many persons are there. So how to audible that one, okay, or how to listen the music? By the help of the speaker. You are going to the movie theater, okay. That means in there Dolby digital sounds are there. That is also called as the student speaker. And that type of the speaker is a Dolby digital sound. Yes or no student? Okay. So that is our speaker and earphone. Next one is your student what? Printer. Next one is your student what? Printer. The student printer also gives the output, display the result on a piece of paper. When display the information on a piece of paper, that is called as a hard output. Remember. Okay student. So printer student, remember, question will make on what is the difference between soft output and hard output. The soft output means when the information will be displayed on the monitor screen, that is called as soft output. When the information will be displayed on the piece of paper, okay student, from the printer, that is called as just a hard output. Okay. When information will be displayed, on piece of paper, on piece of paper. Is that clear student? On piece of paper is called, on piece of paper is called what student? Is called as a hard output. Is called a hard output. Remember this one student? Is that clear? Is that clear student? That is called as a hard output. Okay. So student, in this way the printer is also divided into two types. Printer is also student divided into two types. Printer can be divided into two types. Printer can be divided into student two types. One is your impact printer. Second one is your non-impact printer. Non-impact printer. Remember, impact printer and non-impact printer. So student, the very important question will come in your exam. Write the difference between impact and non-impact printer. Okay. So student, in case of the impact printer, student, I am writing the difference in a shortcut way. You just listen and see also. Impact printer, it produce very noisy, and it produce less noise. Okay, student, is that clear or not? Less noise. Then second point, student, produce very noise. It produce very noise. Okay, student, produce less noise. That means when you give the command of this printer, the sound, it produce very noise. Means what? Its sound produce very noisy. Its sound produce less noise or noiseless also. Okay, that means you can see laser printer. I will tell that one, laser printer. Then next one is the student inkjet printer. Very noise, sound is very less. Okay, and takes the print very smoothly. Is that clear or not, student? So student, it produce the sound is very high noise. Okay, and this one is a less noise. Okay, the next one is the student speed. Speed is very slow. Speed is very slow, and its speed is fast. Speed is fast. Okay, student, is that clear? It is low cost. It is low cost, and it is high cost. High cost printer. Is that clear or not? It is low cost printer. It is your high cost printer. Is that clear? So student, due to this type of the reason, we are most preferring the word non-impact printer. Still, impact printer is also used, but mostly use the word non-impact printer. Mostly use the non-impact printer. Is that clear? There are so many examples, student, of the impact printer. That one is a student dot. That is our dot matrix printer. Dot matrix. Then student daisy wheel printer. Then line printer. Remember, impact printer. The examples are the dot matrix, daisy wheel, and line printer. And in case of the student non-impact printer, one is your inkjet, laser printer. Okay, student, dot matrix, daisy wheel, line printer. This one is a inkjet printer, laser printer. Another one is your student solid ink printer. Okay, student, solid ink printer. Another one is your student, that one is your what? Thermal wax printer. Another one is your dye sublimation printer. Remember, these are all the examples of the non-impact printer. These are all the examples of the what, student? Impact printer. In the dot matrix printer, its speed is a student CPS, character per second. Okay, student, and the speed of the laser printer is a what? PPM, page per minute. Remember this one, character per second. Okay, student, this one is a page per minute. Remember, that means speed is very fast as compared with this one. And student, the header print, in case of the impact printer, the header print, it's mechanical instrument. Okay, the mechanical instrument of the header print is very slow as compared with the header print of this one is very fast compared with this one. Okay, student, that's why its speed is very fast as compared with this one. Okay, in the dot matrix printer, okay, the dot matrix printer or impact printer, that is called as also character printer. That is also called as a character printer. This one is also called as a character printer. Why? because it's print one character per a second. Is that clear or not? That's why this is called as a character printer. Is that clear or not? The student digital printer just looks like the typewriter. Just look like the typewriter. And typewriter is what? Once switch the button, only that keys will be displayed on the page. Yes or no, student? That means the digital printer, and these type of the printers are used in the student where in government offices, bank, okay, court, kacheri. In that place, this type of the printers are mostly used. When you are going to make a affidavit, okay, they will make the print. They will make the print not in this printer. They will make the print by the help of the digital or dot matrix printer. Is that clear or not? Is that clear? The student, this one is digital printer is made of the print head. Is made of the student what? Plastic, okay, which again break up into the plates, okay, break up into the plates. That plate contains the upper or lower case letter, number or some of the sublimation mark symbol, okay. And line with printer same as the digital printer, but here one character for 1 second will be displayed. Here one line. At a time, one line it can be printed. One line at a time can be printed. Whereas the digital dot matrix printer, only one letter will be printed in a single time. Okay. Come to the student what? Inkjet printer, laser printer. Inkjet printer, it uses the ink. Laser printer, it uses the cartridge. Okay, student. Solid ink. Okay. It can use the both. Okay, student. Thermal wax printer, and dye sublimation printer. The dye sublimation printer is used in large industry, large business organization. They are used the dye sublimation printer. It prints the what, student? It stores the very easily. Okay, it stores the very easy. Solid ink also. It stores the very easy to store the ink as compared to the laser and inkjet printer. Okay, student. All these printers have given the good quality. All these printers have given the good quality. Okay, speed is very fast. Okay. Another one, the dye sublimation printer, student. What it is used to print a, suppose I want to make the banner. Yes or no? By the help of the dye sublimation printer, we make that one. Thermal wax printer is used to make a print of your bill. Suppose I want to need a bill. What you saw? That means go to the shopping mall. They will give the what, student? One of the bill. So that bill can be printed by the thermal wax printer. And laser printer can be used in anywhere. It is mostly preferred. Which one out of all this? Laser printer. And student, another difference one is the impact printer and non-impact printer. The student, impact printer, it is a what? Black and white. But in non-impact printer, it can give the both black and white and color also. It can give the print color as well as the student what? Black and white. It can only display the black and white. Is that clear or not? Is that clear or not? Okay, student. So in this way, student, we are given the idea about the printer. Okay, and rest of the things use the spread. If you have doubt, then ask me. Okay. Is that clear, student? Then, student, next we will discuss the student. Next we will discuss the word plotter. Next we will discuss the word plotter. This is also what look like a printer, and particularly this one is used in. It is used in drawing, layout, banner. For that purposes, we are using the word, student? Plotter. In a printer, it will give the result in a small size paper, and it will give the result in a very large size, just like the banner. Suppose you want to make the print of bill. You want to make print of a very large size paper. You want to make the advertisement. How? Okay, by the banner. So student, by the plotter we can easily make the print that one. Is that clear or not, student? Is that clear or not? Okay. So student, for this one plotter is used. It is also used to make a layout, to give the line drawing, to insert the image. For this one we are using the what, student? Plotter. Is that clear or not, student? Is that clear or not? Okay. Then next, some of the other outputs also I have already discussed: earphone, speaker, plotter. Yes or no, student? These are all the outputs which has discussed. Okay, student. In the next we will discuss the student what storage device in the next class. That's it. Thank you.